In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu and type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, select Sound. And there should be an item underneath output that says mono audio. Combine left and right audio channels into one. If you want to make this change for your ASUS device, go ahead and toggle this to the on position. If you want to enable or disable by toggling it to the left, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.